my friends. Today we're going to do a great vocal warm-up for singers that will build and reinforce great technique. The exercises are listed below, and make sure to check out the other links and resources. Come into an aligned position, releasing and relaxing any excess tension. Take a moment to reconnect with your breath, and take a couple of slow and natural breaths. Make sure you're allowing for expansion around the abdomen and back, and enjoy a moment of stillness as you move your focus into singing your best. Let's begin with the feeling of a rounded vocal tract as we sing on coo, like coo, and go. Coo. Now we are going to sing on li-lay, like li-lay, 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 li. Now for this exercise, allow the jaw to relax as the tongue gently controls the diction. Here we go. Li-lay, 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 li. Li-lay, 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 li. Li-lay, 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 li. Li-lay, Nice job. Let's sigh down together in a very relaxed manner. Now let's connect that feeling of sigh to singing as we sing on saw. Saw, and go. Saw, saw, This next vocal exercise will work on some nimble interval work. Let's sing on neo, like neo, eo, 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 e. We want to make sure that we're lifting with energy on each ascending interval and keeping things light enough on the way down. Neo, e. Here we go. Neo, eo, 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 e. Neo, eo, 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 e. Neo, eo, 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 e. working on zooey wee wee, like zooey wee 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 wee. For this exercise, we want to maintain relaxation and minimize movement in the front of the mouth. Here we go. Zooey wee 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 wee. 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 Zooey This next exercise will work on flexibility and breath coordination. Let's try Z, here we go. Z, Let's move on to a major triad arpeggio. We're going to sing on mi, me, ma, like mi, me, ma. Here we go. Mi, me, ma. Mi, me, ma. Mi, me, ma. Let's bring in a little bit of jaw relaxation on fa-e, like on this exercise, the jaw and the tongue move gently together. Here we go. Well done. Check in again for any tension that may have crept in, and let's sigh down. Finally, let's open up to a full octave exercise on the words, how cool am I? This gives us the chance to work on an octave jump, and the word cool gives us a lovely amount of breath support and air to get there. It sounds like this. How cool am I? Here we go. How cool am I? 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 Thank you so much for warming up with me today. If you like this, I hope you'll give it a like and subscribe and share it with a friend. Let me know in the comments what you're working on, and I will see you next time. Finally, Sven, you gonna stay there?